to look effortlessly elegant on your next vacation? Today I'm sharing timeless, chic outfits for women over 60 that will have you feeling confident, comfortable, and beautifully put together wherever you're traveling. Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are sharing chic, elegant, and age-confident vacation fashion for women over 60. If you're planning a holiday and want to look stylish, timeless, and effortlessly put together, then this video is for you. Let's begin. First up, elegant tops and blouses. On holiday, nothing beats a lightweight, flowy blouse. Look for pieces in linen, soft cotton, or silk blend fabrics. They drape beautifully, keep you cool, and add instant polish. Opt for soft neutrals like ivory, beige, or grey. Chic patterns like stripes or subtle prints. Feminine details like gentle V-neck or rolled sleeves. A well-cut blouse pairs perfectly with trousers, skirts, or shorts and instantly elevates your look. Perfect bottoms. For bottoms, comfort is key, but we still want structure. Some great options include linen trousers, breezy, elegant, and forgiving in warm weather. Straight leg white pants, crisp, classic, and always chic. Knee length tailored shorts, polished yet relaxed. An A-line midi skirt, incredibly flattering and easy to style. Stick to neutral colors so everything can mix and match for multiple outfits with fewer pieces. Dresses. A midi dress is truly a vacation superstar for women over 60. Choose dresses in soft, breathable fabrics. Wrap silhouettes for shape. A-line or straight cuts for comfort. Effortless prints like florals, geometric patterns, or soft abstract designs. A simple dress can take you from daytime exploring to a sunset dinner with just a change of accessories. Shoes and accessories. Let's talk about finishing touches. Footwear. Choose comfortable yet elegant styles such as leather sandals, low wedges, stylish walking flats. Accessories. This is where your personality shines. A chic straw hat, lightweight scarves for layering, timeless sunglasses, minimalist jewelry like gold hoops or a statement bracelet. These pieces elevate your outfits while staying practical for travel. Vacation fashion after 60 is all about feeling elegant, confident, and comfortable in your own skin. You absolutely deserve to look and feel your best. And with timeless, well-chosen pieces, every day on holiday becomes a chance to shine. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe for more style inspiration, and let me know in the comments below where you are traveling next. Thank you for watching.